your business environment. Right? So if you say, James, what is the best press that we have? My answer is it all depends on what you define as the best press. All right? All our presses, I believe, are good. It's all depending on number one, what's your application, what are your application needs. Number two is what is your budget that you have in mind. And then we'll be able to also look at the kind of materials you run and the kind of speeds that you need to get and be able to propose something more suitable for you.
Kalau yang tadi pertama itu adalah untuk solusi monokrom, kemudian yang selanjutnya kita lihat adalah solusi warna dari Domino, color and seri N. Jadi kalau yang monokrom itu harus kita integrasikan dengan mesin Xsync Bapak Ibu, sedangkan kalau yang color ini mesin standalone atau berdiri sendiri sehingga dia bisa mencetak dan memproduksi label secara keseluruhan. Dan di sini kita bisa lihat beberapa lini produknya dari N4, seri N4, N6 dan N7. Masing-masing memiliki spesifikasi dan kemampuan yang berbeda. Tentunya untuk menentukan mesin yang terbaik untuk Bapak Ibu, kita perlu tahu dulu dari segi kebutuhan Bapak Ibu, kondisi produksi Bapak Ibu saat ini, mungkin bahan yang digunakan saat ini, speed yang dibutuhkan atau productivity yang ingin kita capai, dan juga fitur atau kemampuan dari mesin yang Bapak Ibu butuhkan.
Yeah, so I think some of you are trying to look at the machine very, very closely. Since you're so interested, I will spend just 2 minutes to explain to you. The N4 is our smallest machine, very compact, it's like a baby. Right? For us, it's the newest product we have also. Right? We've in the past Domino made quite big machines, quite sophisticated machines, quite advanced machines. But we always, before the launch of the N410, we didn't have a product that is easy to use, fast to set up, and very efficient when it comes to running. Right? It always costs a little bit more money. It always costs a little bit more, let's say, technical experience. The N6 and N7 are our more advanced machines. In fact, the N7 is a 1200 by 1200 DPI machine, 1200 by 1200 DPI machine, and it runs at up to 90 meters per minute, one of the fastest in the market. And it uses, let's say, a lot of automation features. We have a lot of intelligent features that is being incorporated into the press that makes the press learn and be what in the era of AI is a self-learning press, and it's a very automated press to do very sophisticated jobs. But beyond just the roll-to-roll machine, we also have machines that are modified or adapted to customers' requirement. So I'll give you an example here. I think some of you were trying to look at this. It looks a little bit strange. So this is the Domino unit. This is the Domino unit. This is your inline flexo machine. Okay? We call this a retrofit. Okay? N610R, R stands for retrofit. So retrofit actually means you can be using any brand of flexo machine in your factory. You can be running your Gallus or your Peter or your Mark ND or your OMAT machines. You can be using any brand, but we are able to turn your flexo machine from a single line to what we call a 3-in-1 hybrid machine. What is a 3-in-1 hybrid machine? It actually means you can run it 100% flexo, you can run it 100% digital, but you can also run it hybrid between flexo and digital combination. And what we do is we try to build our retrofit unit, the N610IR, onto your flexo machine in order for your machine to be able to now do both things. Alright? If you don't need the digital part, you can actually bypass the digital part and switch off the unit. But in case you only want to print digital and you don't want the flexo to be printing anything, you can also go through the inkjet unit and have it 100% printed by inkjet only. Alright? It takes its speed and it takes its what we call the slave and the master. The slave and the master design. The master is your body frame. It's your unwinder and your rewinder coming from your main machine. Alright? The retrofit unit is your slave. So what happens is that it will take the controls, it will take the signal, it will take the speed and the registration from your master machine. Alright, so it also allows you to do combination printing, meaning to say sometimes you need to print in registration. right? You print something you pre-print on Flexo, the first 4 color stations, CMYK, you're printing with Flexo. You will have to print with the iMark so that it allows our inkjet unit to trace your iMark and register its printing to the right position that you want for your job. Alright, so this actually has 2 advantages. Number 1 is you have a lot more flexibility suddenly to turn your existing Flexo unit into a combination or hybrid press. Alright? Second thing is that it doesn't require you to add any production floor space. So let's say your Flexo unit is built to the size of this room. The retrofit unit does not need more space. Why? Because it's hanging onto the rail of your Flexo machine. So in case of production space, you know, Jakarta, not many people and the space is sometimes limited. Factory not easy to renovate or move space, right? This you don't need extra space. It's hanging onto your rail. And you can slide it up and down depending on where you want it. Okay, so I think that gives customers suddenly a lot of good ideas, a lot of flexibility to say, yes, this job, I need it after the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 station. I need it at the 6th station for you to do inkjet printing. You can actually put our retrofit unit at that place. Then when you change job and you need it at the 1st station, you can slide it and register it at the 1st station and do the same thing as well. So it gives customer a lot of flexibility in that sense. It gives customer also a lot of space saving requirements.
Oke, di kategori pembuka kita punya mesin tipe M4 atau kita bisa sebut mesin entry level. Kita bisa lihat dari segi ukuran M4 ini mesin dengan ukuran yang paling kecil. Panjangnya dari unwind sampai ke rewind kurang lebih hanya 4 meter, tinggi 2 meter, tidak jauh berbeda dengan tinggi manusia. Lalu kemudian di seri di atasnya ada M6 yang tadi James terangkan, tentunya dengan kapabilitas dan kemampuan yang lebih tinggi dari M4, atau kita bisa sebut dia di kategori menengah, medium. Dan N610 sendiri juga ada beberapa solution. Ada kita punya solusi hybrid untuk N610 retrofit dan juga N610 integrated module. Perbedaannya adalah untuk yang seri retrofit kita bisa pasang print engine dari Domino N610, kita pasang di mesin Flexo Bapak Ibu. Kita bisa lihat di sini di relnya kita pasang print engine dari Domino, dan ini print engine ini bisa kita geser ke kiri ke kanan, jadi sesuai dengan keinginan kita mau dipasang di unit berapa. Jadi sangat fleksibel sekali, tentunya untuk memenuhi kebutuhan dari cetak hybrid. Lalu kemudian untuk integration module, perbedaannya kita akan menggabungkan antara Flexo unit di sebelum dan sesudah dari print engine Domino sendiri. Ya. Mungkin untuk retrofit perbedaannya ya karena dia lebih ringkas, hanya memasang print engine di mesin yang di mesin Flexo yang Bapak sudah punya. Sedangkan kalau integrated module kita akan menggabungkan 2 jenis teknologi atau 2 jenis hardware, Flexo dengan Domino.
Okay, so there's a difference here between retrofit unit and integration. IN stands for integration module. So integration module means we actually build the unit into your machine. So this is the Domino unit here, the Domino unit here. All right, we built it into your machine. All right, and one of the things that I do want to mention to you is maybe you have heard of other brands of inkjet manufacturers and so on. Nobody is as active or as experienced as Domino when it comes to integrating our inkjet technology into your existing machine. So we built our integration and retrofit models onto any kind of Flexo or machines that you have, and all brands. So we work with Mark Andy, we work with Peter, we work with Gallus machines, we work with Omet machines, we work with Spandel machines from China, we work with many different brands, and we have successfully around the world integrated the Domino inkjet printing module into those kind of different machines. So you can be quite sure when you want to go into a hybrid printing project, we will not sell you a unit and ask you to fix yourself. No? It's a very complicated project. Alright? So our engineers have to come in, inspect your machine first. Even if you want to buy and we inspect and we are not very confident and sure that you are able to integrate it